Here he is getting ready to trim some trees, limbs. It's kind of what it is. That tree was blocking my light from hitting my front yard. It's a community light, but works good on my house. I'm going to try and do a little bit of tree trimming there. Okay. Stay right there. Hi. You might want to leave you some hand. Well, we're just going to cut that one off. Up kind of tall. Huh? We're going to cut that one up about middle ways or a little higher. Yeah. Brian, we need to go get some rope and pull it down toward the underside. Redneck trimming trees. Uh-oh. It's full of fuel. Just stay right there, Coop. Hey, let me come over here and get the chain out of the front of the bucket. Yeah. We'll see how far we can pull it with just a tractor. Let me come get that. I'm going to take and... Come on, Cook. Come on, grab my hand, bud. Hey, you want to hand me that cutter down? You want to hand me that weed eater? Yeah. Yeah, let's, I'll grab it. Alright, we'll film some more here in a little bit. I gotta stop.